How to log in into M&T Online Banking account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can log in into M&T Bank Online Banking account. So without any further delay, let's get started. Open up a browser, head towards the search bar and there type in M&T Bank. Press enter in your keyboard. Now from the search results, you have to head towards the first link, that is www.mtb.com. Click on it. That's gonna take you to their official website. Here to log in, navigate to this menu bar at the top. There is a login button. You have to click on login. Now you will land on login portal. Here on your right hand side, there is a login prompt here. Select your account, whether you have a personal or business account or any other commercial treasury center. So in order to log in into your personal or business account, select personal business. Under that, there is a field that says user ID. There you have to type in the user ID that is associated with your account. Under that, enter your correct passcode, which is again associated with your account. In case if you forget your ID or password, there is a link right here that says help with user ID or passcode. Click on it, follow the on-screen instructions, and that's gonna help you recover your account. Once you're done entering your login credential, all you have to do is click on login button, and with that you'll be logged in into your account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.